Hello?
Hello, we're over here.
Welcome to month 8 of our plight to get furniture. That's not to complain, the world is crazy right now. We settled on the City Furniture Grant couch in white. There's a lot of different versions of this couch. There's the Nixon, there's the Grant, and then there's the Reagan?
Yeah.
Long story short, we had bought a Pottery Barn couch, never showed up. Months and months later, so we went to City Good Old Furniture. This couch, if you ever heard of the Cloud Couch, Restoration Hardware, everybody has one. They're super popular. They are about $10,000 to $20,000 each, and I was not about to pay that, so I went online and I found dupes. There were quite a few, but this one just seemed to fit this house better. They had different size options. Like the Nixon is the deepest. This is the
middle.
The middle?
It's the Goldilocks.
It's the Goldilocks, and then
Yeah.
the Reagan is the short. Maybe I'm wrong about that. I don't know about the Reagan. So I liked that you could pick. We didn't really want anything too deep, and it's low to the ground. It seemed like because it was lower and because it was not as deep, it's big and it's plushy and you can sit on it, but you basically can, it looks small enough for a small space.
And you notice that each one of these is separate. There's no locking mechanism.
So you can customize it. You can get 2 of these pieces. You buy it by piece. So if ever we have a bigger house one day, if I want to buy a second piece to make it larger, I can, which is really great. We just had got the couch maybe 3 days before Christmas, and we're like, we just bought this. It's white. We're a little nervous. Let's see how we can protect it. They give you good cleaning supplies that really work when you buy it.
For little spots.
Yeah, for spots. They also have a cleaning service. But regardless, we didn't want to deal with that. So we just put sheets. I put a queen sheet here and tucked it in. I put pillowcases on the pillows, the back pillows, and then I put a twin sheet. And I folded it. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what it looks like without the sheet.
Here. And there's some Velcro that,
so that way
makes the cushion not fall off the couch.
This was just one. I did one long sheet for this one, and I just put it on all 3 cushions, just like the Cloud couches. And even there's the 6-penny couch that has the same sort of vibe as the Cloud couch, very organic looking, very cloudy, plushy looking. The thing about those style couches, which are really in and also super comfortable, so everyone wants them, they do require fluffing. I'll fluff it, and I'll show you how the lady at the store told us. She told us to take a back cushion and then knock it.
Yeah, just hit it.
Just hit the cushion. So you go. I don't really know if that works, but I do this just because she told me to, and I'm trying to be diligent about it. But what I usually do is I'll just fluff it.
Yeah,
and I'll
exactly.
use my hands. But then once a week I try to flip the cushion. So I'll fluff it and then I'll flip them. So your weight distribution is more even.
Yeah.
With couches that have different pieces like this, it's not one thing, I always worry that one piece will move or they'll separate. This does not happen with this couch. But they are pretty movable. So if I ever want to move this piece, this is particularly light, so it's very movable. If we want to move the couch, it's not too heavy. It's the perfect size, perfect weight. We're really happy with it. It feels way better to not have paid so much money for a couch. I mean, $3,000 is still a lot, but it's not crazy town. It's a really good Cloud couch dupe. Depending on your area, instead of waiting 6 months for Pottery Barn, West Elm, all these companies are having a hard time getting inventory and shipments out. This is a 2-day delivery option. Look in your area to see, make sure. But for us, this was 2 days. So that was such a huge relief. But yeah.